Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome back to the third part of the tutorial on Spreadsheet software. In the previous video, you have learnt about formatting text and numbers, border and shading, wrap text option, sorting alphabets and numbers, formula, functions such as sum, average, maximum, minimum, and count. AutoSum. This is the function that allows you to quickly and automatically calculate the sum of a range of numbers. It eliminates the need for manual data entry and calculation, saving your time and effort. It can also be used to calculate average, count, maximum, minimum. AutoSum is a feature of Microsoft Excel that automatically calculates the sum of the selected range of cells. First, you have to select the range of cells and then go to the AutoSum section of Formula tab. I am choosing sum and it gives me the total marks of the subjects. Then, if you want to find average, first select the range of cells and then go to this section and click on the average. You will get average marks of the subject. Similarly, you can find minimum and maximum count from this AutoSum section. Let's have a look on some textual features of Microsoft Excel. The first is write. The write function returns the last character or characters in a text string based on the number of characters specified. Its syntax is equal sign, write, small bracket, required text, comma, number underscore character, and small bracket close. The number underscore character is an optional argument that specifies the number of characters to extract. If it is omitted, it defaults to 1. This example returns the 5 characters from right side, that is world. First, select the cell where you want to display the result. Then type equal right parenthesis start inverted comma start and required text inverted comma close comma, then type the number of characters to extract. I am typing here 3. And by closing parentheses and pressing enter key from the keyboard, you will get the result. Left function. This function extracts a specified number of characters from the beginning of a text string. Its syntax is equal left small bracket required text comma number underscore characters and small bracket close. Here number underscore character is also an optional argument similar to write function. This number underscore character specifies the number of characters to extract, and if it is not written, then by default set to 1. This example returns the 3 characters from the text string computer, and these 3 characters will be COM. To apply left function, first type equal left parenthesis inverted commas required text string inverted comma and the number of characters to be extract. Then close the parentheses and by pressing enter key you will get the result. Lower. This function converts a text string to lowercase. Its syntax is equal sign, lower, parentheses, text in inverted commas and parentheses close. For example, this function returns the word register in small letters. To apply lower function, first set the cursor and then type equal lower parenthesis start inverted commas and your required text, inverted commas, parentheses close, and by pressing enter key you will get the result. Upper. This function converts a text string to uppercase. Syntax is equal sign, upper, parenthesis start, required text, and parenthesis close. This example returns the word book in upper letters. The upper function gives us the text into uppercase. To apply upper function, first set the cursor and press equal sign, upper, parenthesis start, and the required text in double quotation. Double quotation close, parenthesis close, and by pressing enter key from the keyboard you can get the result. Len function. This function is derived from the word length. It is similar to count function which we have studied earlier. Len function counts the number of characters in a cell or a text string. Its syntax is equal len parenthesis start required text and parenthesis close. This example returns the length of the word book, that is 4. To apply len function, first set the cursor and then type equal sign len parenthesis start and in the inverted commas type the required text, inverted commas close, parenthesis close, and by pressing enter key you will get the result. Students, you can also avail these textual features by clicking on the Formula tab and by choosing the option of text. This drop down menu appear and you can see there are many functions available here. You can apply these functions only on the text data, and you should keep one thing in mind that the required text should be written in inverted commas. Now I am choosing the option of write. By clicking on the right, you can see this window appears, and by filling this window like this, number of characters 5, and by clicking on OK, you can get the 5 characters from the right side. Students, similarly, you can apply upper, lower, left, and len functions from this drop down menu of text. Students, you can also avail these features by giving their cell references equal sign, upper, and the cell reference, close the bracket, and press the enter key. Similarly, I can use the function of len like by giving it cell reference, it will give me result. Date. The date function returns a date value from year, month, and day. Its syntax is equal date parenthesis start year comma month comma day and parenthesis close. This example returns the result. You can set the date by using the function of date like this equal sign date parenthesis start then enter the year, month and day, and by closing parenthesis and pressing enter you will get the date. Time. The time function returns a time value from hours, minutes, and seconds. Its syntax is equal sign time parenthesis start hour comma minute comma second and parenthesis close. This example returns the time equal sign time parenthesis start then write hour minute and second, and by closing parentheses and pressing the enter key you will get time. Now function. Now function displays the current date and time on a worksheet. Its syntax is equal sign, now, small bracket start, small bracket close. It takes no argument. Today function. This function returns the current date, updated continuously when a worksheet is changed or opened. Its syntax is equal sign, today, small bracket start and small bracket end. If you want the current date and time of the system, then use the now function like this. Equal sign, now, and it takes no argument, and by clicking enter key you will get the time and date. The today function also returns the current date like this. Equal sign, today, parenthesis start and parenthesis close. It will also take no argument like now function, and by pressing enter key you will get the result. Students, the shortcut key from the keyboard to add date on your worksheet is Ctrl plus semicolon. Similarly, you can add time on your worksheet by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus semicolon key from the keyboard. Students, you can avail this option also from the Formula tab by clicking on date and time. You can see a drop down menu appear, and from this drop down menu you can use any option like I am clicking on the now, and by pressing OK it will give date and time. Students, to further explore Microsoft Excel, wait for my next video. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.